Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about with the constant repetition, repeating something, you can change something is not working. So something can be your personal goals, professional goals, whatever is around goals, something say not working for you. So you getting the same results, same circumstances, same people, same things are happening, something you don't want, and you can change it, but it is a constant repetition, repeating something all the time for certain period of time. You can change it, and change takes time, because once you change your feelings and then you're changing your level of vibration like a frequency. So once uh, you have to know what. So what are you trying to change around? So first you have to know that what is it not working for you, and then make a small affirmation around something not working for you. It can be your money, or something, the product is not selling, or the business not going right, or something not working around your business, and you can make a small affirmation of that something not working, and make it a small affirmation, not too big, and then you can record that affirmation, or you can start writing that affirmation, or you can affirm it. So whatever is works for you better, and then you have to do at least couple times a day, or you have to write it down few times a day, like say one page, or you can start with the one page or half page in the morning, half page in the evening, every day. You at least you have to try at least 40-45 days. So anything uh, be repeat, it takes time. It's just like planting the seeds in the ground, and then we have to water it, then we have to fertilize it, then we have to take the weeds out, and then it's gonna take time to come the roots, to take the roots. It definitely gonna take time. So it's the same process, and when you affirming something and you're going to affirm something, you have to take action every single day, and you have to feel it, and you have to feel good about yourself, and it's a constant repetition also, or constant writing something every single day, or listening something every single day. And my mentor, that's what he used to do. He used to listen, or of course he used to write things also, and it's a constant repetition of affirmation, and you can change the circumstances, you can change the situations, and it's just like overwriting it on something, like this is how our mind works. And if we keep vibrating the same thing, the same energy, and this is the reason uh, is vibrating, and because it's the same energy we are holding, and that same energy be getting same results, because that is the vibration we are vibrating. And to overwrite it or to delete that, we have to replace with something. We have to replace with the affirmation, or some kind of affirmation, to believe in that, and it's working for me. So you have to believe it also yourself, and that affirmation is working for you. And doing that, this is how we replace with something to something. Say something negative, according to the universal laws, either negative or positive, and something is negative happening all the time, then we have to replace that affirmation with the positive. So positive, doing that affirmation, a constant repetition of that affirmation, and definitely be creating the positive affirmation, um, a positive something, be a feeding with something, and definitely you're going to see the results also. But at the same time, when you are affirming it, or you're writing it, or you're listening to the affirmation with the constant repetition, you have to start feeling good about yourself also. Because if you're not feeling good about yourself, changing yourself as your thoughts and feelings, you have to feel it. And that, of course, if you start feeling it, and then things are changing. If you're not feeling it, you're feeling the same thing, you're not feeling good about yourself, and that means nothing is happening. So make sure when you do repeating something, and you have to feel it, and you have to think about it, you have to feel about it, and you have to take action. Action means either you are repeating or writing or you're listening. So constant repetition, affirmation, you can change your energy. And changing your energy, you're changing your thoughts, your feelings, and your vibration, your level of frequency. So this is the only way to change it. Or sometimes happens with the emotional impact. And this there's only two ways to change your your something's not working for you, the pattern of formation, and something really emotionally impact people, and then things change. And the second is a constant repetition, repeating something, and you're definitely going to change that pattern of, you're going to break that pattern of the something not working for you. So this is the way to change it. So make a small affirmation, not too big, with emotions, and then write it down, and then start with I am so happy and grateful now that, in a positive, in a present tense, and with emotions. Add some emotions in that in that affirmation. Like say, I'm going to give you example. I would say I'm so happy and grateful now that I am helping all around the world with universal laws, and is helping people. So I would say something you are doing, and then doing something to someone, and you helping someone something. So you have to see yourself, you're impacting other people's life. And whatever you are doing, you're changing other people's life, and doing that. So in that affirmation, you have to see that doing that. So whatever the formation you're going to make, see something you wanted to see. And of course, that thing is impacting others. You're helping others also, whatever you're trying to change. This is how the laws works. What you give, we receive back. And if you're giving something to someone, and you're going to receive back. So you, in that affirmation, you have to impact others as a positive, and doing that is helping you. So whatever you trying to change or see the change, so is impacting others before it's impacting you. So this is a way we give and receive, cause and effect, action and reaction. This is how this works according to the laws, because according to the laws, everything's working, and there's nothing not working, but according to either negative or positive, how we are using this information, negative or positive, and it's working according to that. So hopefully this YouTube going to help you. And if it's helping, please leave your comments, and if you want to ask any question around constant repetition to changing something, and ask questions, and leave your comments also. Your comments, of course, going to help me if you like the YouTube. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And with the constant repetition, uh, you can change the pattern, you can change the energy, you can change the vibration, you can change the level of frequency. So, but you have to be persistent. You have to do it every single day. Please, if you have missed the day, you have to start all over again, 40 days. And this is how persistent you have to be. And I think, yeah, persistent is the key. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.